Hello, I'm Peter Walton from Zenith Planning, and I'm here today to give an update on your investment portfolios. Over the last few weeks and months, there have been some changes to previous circumstances. Some of the major risks are now less than what they were. If you look at the major risks that we were very conscious of, they were firstly the US election. Now that has been held and Joe Biden is the apparent winner, and subject to Donald Trump being able to find any major fraud or errors in the results, he will go on to become president. So that risk is less than what it was. One of the unexpected outcomes from the election was that while Joe Biden won the presidency, the Republicans retained control of the Senate, and therefore it is anticipated that some of the more radical Democrat policies, such as the proposal to increase company tax rates, are unlikely to pass the Senate, and therefore some of the negative factors on share markets are less likely to come to fruition. And the share markets have reacted positively in recent days. The second significant risk that we were concerned about is obviously the coronavirus. And it is now more apparent that an effective vaccine will be available quite soon. It will take some time for the vaccine to be produced and distributed around the world, but overall the risk in relation to the pandemic is less than what it was a couple of months ago. In Australia, you're probably aware that we have almost eliminated the pandemic completely. And so this creates some sort of a foundation for economic recovery. The third major global risk that we've been watching are the ongoing tensions between ourselves and the US and China. Now, these tensions have not mitigated in recent times, but perhaps at least we could say that Joe Biden might be a more predictable president than was Donald Trump, which may be helpful, but time will tell. So overall, even though we quite understand that these risks have not disappeared, our assessment is that they are less than what they were some time ago. And that gives us some confidence to put more money back into the share markets. So earlier this week, we made adjustments to your portfolio to reinvest some more of the money and reduce our holdings to cash. Our overall allocations are still lower than our benchmarks because some risks remain, but we are now more invested than we were previously. Of course, should some risks reappear for some reason, we will react accordingly and can easily make further adjustments. At the present time, we are happy to be a little bit more optimistic about the future than we were previously. The shares or the investment that we put in the portfolios, we do assess quite carefully to make sure that we put in the ones that we think are the most appropriate in the circumstances. You are welcome, of course, to have a look at your portfolio, and if you have any queries at all, please feel free to contact us, and we hope to be in touch again soon. Thank you.